We'll guide you through how to make class diagram in 𝗟𝗹𝗞𝗘. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they need a simple way to create class diagrams for school assignments, software design, or project documentation. To make a class diagram in 𝗟𝗹𝗞𝗘, start by opening your Windows computer and ensuring it is ready to use. Next, open Google Chrome from your desktop or taskbar so you can access the internet. Once the browser is open, click the search bar at the top of Google Chrome and type 𝗟𝗹𝗞𝗘 to find the correct tool. After typing, press enter and go to the official 𝗟𝗹𝗞𝗘 website from the search results. When the page loads, click the Start button to begin working on your diagram. After entering the workspace, go to the top menu where various options are displayed. From there, select the Arrange menu to access additional layout features. Then choose the Insert option within that menu to add new elements to your canvas. After that, select Template to open a collection of ready-made designs. In the Template search field, type Class Diagram to quickly find the relevant layout. If the class diagram already appears in the initial view, you can simply select it directly without searching. Once you find the class diagram template, right-click on it to open more options. Then click Insert to place the diagram onto your workspace. After inserting it, adjust the diagram's position on the canvas if needed so it fits your layout properly. Next, edit the text within the diagram by clicking on each section and replacing it with your own information. Finally, change the diagram's color as needed to improve clarity or match your preferences, ensuring your class diagram looks clear and organized. Make sure to review each element carefully and confirm that class names, attributes, and methods are written correctly. You can also resize shapes by dragging their corners to better fit your content and improve readability. If necessary, connect classes using appropriate relationship lines such as associations or inheritance to reflect the system structure accurately. Take a moment to align elements neatly using available alignment tools for a cleaner layout. Finally, save your work by selecting the Save option so your diagram is stored and ready to be shared or edited later whenever you need to use it.